mirrors and cross-check. Thank you. Cabin crew ready for safety demonstration.
Before departure, we kindly ask for your attention as we go through the safety features of this aircraft. For your safety and comfort on board, you must always follow the instructions given by our crew. We recommend that you keep your safety belt fastened throughout the flight in case we experience unexpected turbulence. Pull and tighten the strap. After you leave the aircraft, inflate the life jacket by pulling the red tab. This aircraft has 8 emergency exits. They are all marked with exit signs. All exits are equipped with slides. To find your nearest exit, follow the escape lights at floor level. Our cabin crew will now point out the exits nearest to you. Please pay close attention to the location of your nearest exit, keeping in mind that it may be behind you. You must adopt the emergency position when instructed to do so by our crew. In case of an emergency, bend forward and downwards as low as possible. You must leave all carry-on baggage in the aircraft. You'll find the safety features of this aircraft in the safety card located in your seat pocket. We kindly ask you to take a moment and review the important information on the safety card before takeoff. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask our crew. We are here to help. Thank you for flying with us. Enjoy your flight.